Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Lexus CT200H only ways. First, park on level ground and engage the parking brake. Next, loosen the oil filler cap to allow better drainage. Then, jack the car and support it securely on stands. Position the drain pan and remove the drain plug with a 14 mm socket. Let oil drain fully while preparing the new filter and fresh oil for refill. After draining, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench and set it aside. Clean the mounting surface to ensure a proper seal and lubricate the new filter gasket with fresh oil. Thread the new filter by hand until it contacts the base, then tighten it about 3/4 of a turn for a secure fit. Wipe away any drips and confirm the drain plug is torqued to spec before lowering the car. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so you get more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to keep your garage and shop tidy while you work. It's a helpful time saver when changing oil or doing service tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. With the new filter in place, add the recommended oil amount through the filler neck and check the dipstick for proper level. Start the engine for a short period to circulate oil and inspect around the drain plug and filter for leaks. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then recheck and top off the oil to reach the correct mark. Dispose of used oil and filter responsibly at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.